Today, I am reviewing KTC 27-inch 2K QHD Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KTC 27-inch Gaming Monitor, model H27T22C-3, is a premium choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who wants a smooth, immersive viewing experience. With a 2K QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, this monitor provides sharp and detailed visuals that truly bring games, videos, and movies to life. Every scene is rendered with clarity, from intricate textures in games to crisp text while working or browsing, making it ideal for both entertainment and productivity. One of the standout features of this monitor is its impressive refresh rate of up to 210 Hz. To put this in perspective, that's over 3 times faster than the standard 60 Hz monitors. This high refresh rate ensures incredibly smooth motion, minimal blurring, and precise responsiveness during fast-paced gaming. Whether you're competing in first-person shooters, racing games, or strategy titles, the 210 Hz refresh rate gives you a competitive edge and a fluid visual experience that keeps up with your reflexes. Paired with a 1 millisecond response time, the KTC monitor drastically reduces input lag and motion blur, allowing your movements to translate instantly on screen. This means no annoying ghosting or trailing behind fast-moving objects, which is crucial for serious gamers. The monitor also features adaptive sync technology, supporting both AMD FreeSync and G-Sync. This effectively eliminates screen tearing and stuttering by syncing the graphics card and monitor refresh rate, delivering consistently smooth gameplay. The display itself is a fast IPS panel, offering 131% sRGB color coverage, HDR400 support, and a peak brightness of 450 nits. This combination ensures vibrant and accurate colors, deep contrasts, and lifelike imagery. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or playing color-intensive games, this monitor delivers crisp, vivid visuals with excellent color consistency across a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Built-in speakers add convenience for casual use, so you can enjoy multimedia without needing separate audio devices, though for immersive gaming, external speakers or headphones are recommended. The monitor also features a matte finish, which reduces glare and reflections from ambient light, allowing extended gaming or work sessions without straining your eyes. Connectivity is robust and flexible. The KTC H27T22C-3 offers 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports, giving you the ability to connect multiple devices simultaneously, including gaming consoles, PCs, and laptops. It also supports wall mounting with a 100 by 100 mm VESA mount, making it adaptable for any setup, whether you want a sleek desk arrangement or a wall-mounted display. The monitor measures 27 inches diagonally, with a slim yet sturdy build, and weighs approximately 5.1 kilograms. It comes with everything you need in the box: a base, quick start guide, DP signal cable, power adapter, screws, and a screwdriver for assembly. KTC also backs this monitor with a 3-year manufacturer warranty, providing peace of mind and support should any issues arise. In conclusion, the KTC 27-inch Gaming Monitor H27T22C-3 combines high-resolution 2K visuals, ultra-fast 210 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and vivid IPS colors into a package that is perfect for gamers, professionals, and entertainment enthusiasts alike. It offers smooth performance, adaptive sync technology to prevent tearing, and vibrant, accurate colors that make every image pop. For anyone looking for a high-performance gaming or work monitor with excellent features and reliable build quality, the KTC 27-inch monitor is a top-tier option that delivers on every front.